bear, his evil teddy bear.
Again, I'm just
And
recording some
then
meters just to see if I can
fought a
hear a lost
monster
story.
bigger than Godzilla.
Okay, 8 minutes.
Yeah, put Gamas as a tag.
Okay. Game is spelled Gamahs. And okay, gamers and gamers. I don't think has anybody fallen asleep in a Discord call before?
This is the first.
Well, yeah. I mean, I heard that Charlie and Sharky fell asleep in a Discord call together. for like an hour, but for like an hour. But Sharky was faking. He was just on his phone. But I like this is the first. If he doesn't fucking wake up, I'm like if he wakes up, like I kind of want to keep my PC on just so he can like wake up to just looking at his PC and say, oh, you're still here.
Aiden, this should sound familiar.
What is it? Oh, I wonder what that was.
Yeah. I think you just found that randomly, went to sleep over, like, hey, and then we're showing videos, you only, we're showing videos, you kept on playing, what's it called?
Minecraft
Sex.
Minecraft Sex, Pickle ASMR, and, that video. I looked up Sword Art Online, Sword Art Online Undertale, and that showed up. I don't regret my choice in looking that up. Should I just make a video just like class president sleeping and just Samir snoring?
Yeah.
So I'll just leave it recording like the entire night. See if he... It'll be like a 4-hour long video. Oh shit. I love Bandersnatch. Griffin.
Yeah?
Quote, we were at homecoming, and Alan told me, quote, I will get a female to ask me out for winter formal.
Wait, what?
Alan said at homecoming that he would get a female to ask him out for winter formal. I just got then like about 2 hours ago I got a text that says he can't go to winter formal.
Damn.
But like all the hoes are on him. It's like none of them are. It's like we realized some stuff. 5 minutes. You realize that Mike is a chick magnet.
Wait, what?
Mike is it? So for homecoming, Mike got asked out by a senior. Like you know that, right?
Yeah, Sharky's sister.
Yeah, he got asked out by a sophomore. For winter formal.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
That's kind of sad.
I know. And Mike's like, help. I'm like, yeah. Too bad.
Wait, so Michael is doing it or no?
No, he's probably not gonna do it. I think.
Yeah. See, the problem with that is it's like.
Yeah. Why would a female date a female?
Okay, no. See, I just say like a guy would ask a girl because like that, you know, like big titty, but like when a girl asks a guy who's great underneath him, that's just kind of sad. And 3 grades underneath him is even sadder.
Well, yeah, but you know that Elizabeth has like no friends in the grade or something like that. I don't remember. That's what Sharky told me.
Damn.
I cry every time. Can't wait to fail finals.
Bruh.
Smear's not gonna fail his finals because he's getting his sleep. That's evident by him snoring. What if he's just like listening to us and he's like just faking and he's just like it's like a
Yeah,
loop.
fuck you, Samir. You're actually retarded, dumbass Packy. Never mind.
I think I'm still recording. Oh yeah,
No, don't put that in.
I'm still recording.
Don't put that in.
This is gonna be a 4-hour video of us shit talking and Samir sleeping. Like once I run out of video ideas, this will probably be what's I'm gonna turn to. Samir snoring.
What? You put the settings on the computer.
The edible.
Okay, is it uploaded yet, dummy?
2 minutes.
Too
So
long.
I'm fucking watching SpongeBob.
Shut up.
They can't hear me.
And what about a world-class detective? I'm your bet.
Detective Pikachu, bruh.
Is that Ryan Reynolds?
Yeah.
Charlie told me that Detective Pikachu wasn't Ryan Reynolds. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? It literally says in the trailer, and I was like, okay, cool.
Mein Gott. Oh, whoa. Oh my fucking god.
I'm calling it right now. Detective Pikachu will have the N word in it. They're gonna say you stupid, and then they're gonna say the N word, and they're like, hey, Detective Pikachu be like, hey, that's racist. It's,
Imagine sleeping in a call.
video still out. It gets done. Let me see. Alright, the video's up. Here's link. I think Samir really likes this cover.
Oh, is it time for Griffin singing?
Yep.
Very epic. Oh wow, so your AirPods in.
Yeah. You got your AirPods in. I didn't really want to take the time to like legitimately do something because it's 3 a.m. But like whatever.
My mic sounds so good. I say fuck like 5 times in this.
Bro, I can't show this to my parents. Smear's really enjoying this.
He's sleeping on it, bruh. Samir, you have 2 tracks running over at one time. You have 2 things playing at the same time, bruh.
Don't worry about it.
Wait,
Oh, who just joined?
wait, is Samir sleeping?
Yeah, he's just
Yes, he is!
Samir.
Sure, I'm gonna stay in the call. Like, I'm gonna keep my PC on. I'm recording. I'm just gonna see. I'm gonna upload like a 4-hour long video of him just sleeping.
That's okay. With your Wi-Fi, that's gonna take 10 years.
Yeah, I know.
Good man, he's making a sacrifice.
It'll be like 6 months. Like, it'll be like graduation. And I'll be like, hey, it's Mir. It's like, yeah, it's like, you should check out my YouTube channel. And then I'll just do that.
Bro, this
4
bitch
hours
is
of
like
sleep.
mad. This bitch is like mad sleeping, bro.
You should check
I
out that
have to be
video.
up in. I have to be up at 6. Gonna be lit.
How long? Wait, it's been like 30 minutes of this recording. So I'll probably like leave in like 10, 20 minutes and I'll have that uploaded.
Big head ass. What the fuck? Who sent me a trade offer?
I really wish he kept his face cam on. It would have been so much fucking better.
What a fucking dumbass, bro.
Yeah, for real though.
I'm gonna go watch this next 3 seasons of this Netflix show. You guys at 8 a.m. Fuck me. Wait,
Wait, why 8 a.m.?
I don't know. Okay, wait, so let's see, 24 times 240 divided by 60. That will be 4 fucking hours of the. Oh my god,
It
bro.
wasn't until 7 o'clock. At least.
Oh, Jack's snapping me. So then the next one is, oh, so let's see, this, yeah, so second season will be done at 7 a.m. And then, oh my fucking god. And have fun. Oh my, what the fuck am I doing, bruh? This is some foo-foo-lane shit.
You should stay in the call with Samir.
Me?
Alright.
You.
Shut up,
Yeah,
big forehead ass.
Yeah, I'll probably fall asleep in the call with him, so.
Oh wait. Sharky, Sharky, quick question. Why
Yeah.
is your profile picture something that Ariana took of you with a heart?
Cause look at my haircut.
You're so quirky, bro.
I am.
I have my
Devil.
hair in pigtails. I'm super fucking epic. Oh my god, I'm quirky. Fuck you.
Yours is a fucking anime fox.
Yeah. I never said mine was better. I'm saying that at least mine isn't fucking me pigtails because I'm quirky.
Maybe. I don't know. Maybe whenever I look at it, I think about the good times, and then I cry 5 minutes later. So just let me do my
Okay,
thing, okay?
you know what? How about you go talk to her instead of fucking reminiscing over a fucking Discord profile picture? Go fucking talk to her.
I do.
Okay.
How about you stop
good.
fucking bitching around like a fucking asshole, okay? Can you like just stop being a dick? Like if you have nothing good to say, just don't fucking say it. Like fuck.
Quoted from Jonathan. Fuck you, Griffin.
Huh? Did I say that today? No, I didn't.
Well, not today, but yesterday.
Well, yesterday's in the past. Today's today. Let's live today and not fucking
All
yesterday.
right,
Okay?
Martin Luther King Jr. All right, speech.
What
Can
else?
you just like, can you just not? Like damn. Like I will watch Bird Box right now just because you said that.
What the fuck is? Wait a second, I'm confused. Is Bird Box a show or a movie?
I don't fucking know.
It's a
I'm
movie.
not watching it.
I think
It's a show.
It's a movie, I think.
No, it's not. It's a movie. Yeah, that's a thought.
It's 2 hours long.
Yeah, it's a
I
show.
mean, I mean, if it's 2 hours long, people say that it's really good though. So
Well, that's what.
I mean, people say that Big Mouth is really good.
that is a good point.
It is. It's so relatable to today's the fuck I can't speak. It is so relatable to today's society.
Okay.
Big head ass. You're back.
Oh, big head ass. The fuck? Jerry Seinfeld. Samir, start snoring. What a bitch.
I'm crying.
Spotlight, moonlight.
I'm probably gonna go.
Wait.
What?
Wait. Saya, moonlight, the moonlight, Charlotte looking good in the moonlight. All this pussy, bad mind, spotlight, moonlight. When you tripping, get your blood right. Charlotte looking good in the moonlight. All this pussy, bad mind, spotlight, moonlight. Why you tripping? Get your mood right. Charlotte looking good.